welcome to a very special edition of Agenda that's coming to you from Ayodhya. The reason why we are here in this ancient city is because the union government wants to set up a museum over here. The state government, of course, wants a theme park, an amusement park with the theme of Ram Leela. But we wanted to find out what the good people of Ayodhya wanted. Remember, ever since the demolition in 1992 of Babri Masjid, the people have been caught in a bit of a time warp. And the amenities over here also seem to be completely at a standstill. So the people over here, we'll ask them what they want. We'll also be speaking to school students and college students about what their aspirations are living in Ayodhya, in such a politically connected place. But first, here's what the minister got up to when he came here.
संग्रहालय एक बहुत मॉडर्न म्यूजियम बनेगा जिसको अभी
Today's edition of Agenda is coming to you from the KS Saket PG College in Ayodhya. It is a special edition because every time we hear the word agenda in our news headlines, in the newspapers, what we think about, and usually the news is about Ram Mandir, Ram Janam Bhoomi, that's usually been the subject. But today we're going to talk, of course, about the BJP's proposal to bring a Ram museum here. But more important than that are the aspirations of the young people of Ayodhya. As the Samajwadi Party proposes an amusement park along the theme of Ram Leela, the centre proposes a museum right next to the contentious, disputed Ram Janam Bhoomi site. What do these young people of college of Ayodhya really want, and how is their life affected by these decades-long trusts? First of all, let's just hear what Union Minister Mahesh Sharma had to say about the centre's plans over here while he was on a day's visit. We're at the disputed birthplace of Ram, and with me, the Union Minister Mahesh Sharma. Sir, I believe you've had an entire day over here. You've looked at various sites. Have you found a place for the Ram Museum?
Yeah, we have been able to provisionally identify, but definitely we'll put a committee of experts to identify between the three places, which is the better place for that. And we are in the process of completing this. We have already identified the site provisionally. We have sanctioned the necessary funds for that purpose also. And we are in consultation with the Uttar Pradesh government also to go ahead with that.
What do you make of the fact, sir? It seems interesting to people that just the day that it was announced that you're coming over here, that the state announced an amusement park. So is it a little competitive now, because between the centre and the state, who will invoke Lord Ram more?
See, Lord Rama is an integral part of the life of the Indians and the worldwide people. Now I feel that already this has been declared a year back, that we had declared the Buddha circuit also, the Krishna circuit also, and Ramayana circuit also. It is a part of that. 2 months before, a secretary level meeting of your state government and the central government has already happened. They have identified the places also, and they have find out the modalities in what way the development of that is to be continued. And for that, we have allocated a particular funds of about 150 crore rupees for this Ayodhya development. This will bring more tourists to this holy place, and definitely the development of spiritual tourism, what has been our vision of our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, that yes, tourism alone, and of which the spiritual tourism alone can be the strength of this country, which can take care of the employment generation, which can take care of the foreign revenue generation, and which can take care of the women empowerment also.
Many people are saying, sir, that that the politicians only think about Ram Mandir, or Mandir comes up just before the elections. In fact, I was speaking to a lot of young people in the city, sir.
Well, election was planned 5 years back. When our government came about 2.5 years back, we have to answer to the people of this country about the development part in 2019. So we are in the process. It's a continuous process. It's not that we have related it to elections. Elections were declared quite in advance, and everybody knew that what is the time of the elections. We have declared this circuit a year back, not now. So you cannot compare it. Yes, ask Samajwadi Party people that what inspired them 2 months before their government is going.
Oh, to announce the theme park. So one other thing I want to ask you is that many people say that you are the face of you're an ideal chief ministerial candidate.
No, I'm sorry, this is the wrong question.
Because you fit into that profile. Many people say that building, the temple, whenever BJP talked about temple, instead of development, in the last election you talked about development, and UP you got so many seats, 80 seats. Where every time you bring up temple, sir, it doesn't get
We're still
votes.
talking about the development. Raman temple is not our political agenda.
It's not your political
not at
agenda.
all.
And sir, okay, thanks very much, sir, for talking to us. Well, that was, of course, the Union Culture Minister, Mr. Mahesh Sharma, talking to NDTV. And as he pointed out, they're completely trying to differentiate between the political agenda and, of course, they're saying of faith, and this is the centre's politics. However, for a lot of the people around here, they feel that this becomes politicized as soon as they mention.
So that's what the centre is proposing, and the state has its own plans of a theme park. But what do the students really want? Let's just get started. We also have Principal Khare here with us. Principal Khare has seen it all. He joined this college as a lecturer in 1977, and he also visited the disputed site just a day after Babri Masjid demolition. So he's seen it all. We'll be talking to him. But first, the students really. आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि सरकार, केंद्र सरकार ये कह रही है they want to have a museum, and state government ये कह रही है they want to have a theme park. क्या ये अच्छा आइडिया है? दोनों attractive ideas आपको लग रहे हैं?
एक्चुअली इट इज़ अट्रैक्टिव फॉर द वोटर्स, बट अगर यहाँ पे म्यूज़ियम बनता है तो हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है कि इससे हमारे जो अयोध्या की इम्पोर्टेंस है वो और भी ज़्यादा होगी. बट द थिंग जो यंगस्टर्स चाहते हैं वो ये है कि हमारी सिटी में डेवलपमेंट हो. अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो हमारे यहाँ ये फैज़ाबाद है, फैज़ाबाद से लगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन हमारा लखनऊ है, वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट है. बट अगर हम यहाँ पर देखें तो लिटरली यहाँ पर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल्स, यहाँ के स्कूल्स की कंडीशन उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. जो बच्चे पुअर हैं वो नहीं जा पा रहे हैं कॉलेजेस में, वो अभी भी वही काम कर रहे हैं जो पहले किए जा रहे हैं. हालांकि गवर्नमेंट
तो आप एक मिनट, सो आप बेसिकली कह रहे हैं देयर इज नो हॉस्पिटल, देयर इज नो स्कूल. इज देयर समथिंग एल्स दैट नीड्स डेवलपमेंट? या व्हाट डिड यू वांट टू से? या
Okay, it's very good if they will make a museum or an amusement park for us. But as a student, I just want a good education system and a good college institute in my city.
You don't have a good college here right now?
No, we have good college, but I wanted, more facilities for us. जैसे हम बाहर जाए तो सिर्फ एक राम जन्मभूमि के साथ ही ना जाए. We want to go like अयोध्या में ये कॉलेज है, ये बच्चे यहाँ से आए हैं, ओके, सो वी वांट अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस, जस्ट हम एक राम जन्मभूमि से स्टक होके ना रह जाए कि हाँ बस राम जन्मभूमि है, अम्यूजमेंट पार्क है, एंड जस्ट.
One of the things I was noticing about this city is that it's a beautiful city of temples, but there is a problem, I think, of cleanliness. And because the roads are very narrow, and now that there is a focus, it's an ancient city just like Banaras, but while they're developing and focusing on that in Banaras, perhaps that is missing over here. आप लोगों को किस चीज की जरूरत है जब वो कह रही है कि she would need a better college or other facilities?
Ma'am, I am totally satisfied with my sister. She is saying everything right. We need a good education, better health, and road should be good condition, and everything which is in favor of students. We are students, not Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and we want development of our college, our district, our country, everything.
Very interesting. You're saying that we don't want to be seen as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. क्या अयोध्या के लोगों को are you all seen like that? हाँ, no, I mean ऐसा क्या इमेज हो गया है कि सब कुछ जाति?
No, ma'am, politician made it, and students should not be included in politics, because the politician which is presenting a bad culture of politics. The politics is very very great things, but which Chanakya has said. But the present politicians are presenting a bad
image of it.
Bad image
okay,
of it,
I
yes.
understand. So if I can just ask Principal Khare over here, Very interesting ideas because all of them seem to agree. Is there anyone who doesn't agree? Who thinks that what we needed was a museum and what we needed was a theme park और वो दे रहे हैं हमें finally बना? ऐसे कोई हैं जिनको लगता है कि development ज़्यादा नहीं है, ये जो राम सर्किट का वो बना रहे tourism वही चाहिए? ऐसे कोई हैं student जो ये सोचते हैं? नहीं. So nobody thinks that. So obviously the priority is development which is missing.
Obviously, as you said, and the views of the students have reflected, people generally want development. It is a Mofussil town, development lacking far behind. There have been various schemes off and on, but still, as far as the basic amenities are concerned, most of the people, they don't have access to, say, good sanitation, good educational institution. Obviously, we at Saket PG College, we always try to raise the bar as far as the educational standards are concerned.